Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I, your Nasir sir, here senior English teacher of that institution. Now I have a topic for today. The topic title, expressing words. You know, expressing words, express the bigger sentence in a word. বাংলা ব্যাকরণ বলে এক কথায় প্রকাশ। তো expressing word আমি বেশ কিছু important expressing word I have written on the board. Inshallah you will write down the single word. I have given you the explanation, total sentence, full sentence. What will be the expressing word? Now come to my point and check the answer. Study of animals. I again want to say it is one of the important topics for the CAT college admission test. Most often before some years 2013, 14 and even 18, more than 10 years, if you amalgamate the question words, you can see the question is available in the admission test. No delay. Thank you very much for listening to me. Study of animals. Study of animals. In a word, zoology. Zoology. Z-O-O-L-O-G-Y. Zoology. Study of life and living things. Life and living things. It is called biology. Biology. Bio, B-I-O. B-I-O. L-O-G-Y. Biology. Biology is a subject. Science subject. Zoology, biology. I have written 3 subjects here, 4 subjects maybe. Biology, zoology, biology. If you fail to understand the meaning of the word, you can look up these words in the dictionary. Zoology, Pranividya, biology, Jivavidya, erokom botany, Udbidvidya, etc. Study of science and plants. Science and plants, it is called botany. It is called botany, B-O-T-A-N-I, botany. Study of finance of the country, money of the country, economical figure of the country. What is called? Study of finance of the country. It is called economics. Economics. Finance is the important figure of our country, of any country. So, now come to the 5 number question. Study of insects. Study of small animals, insects. What is called in a word? Insects. Study of insects. It is called entomology. Entomology. E-N-T-O-M-O-L-O-G-Y. Kit Vidya. প্রাণী ছোট প্রাণী এরকম কীটপতঙ্গ বিদ্যা এরকম স্টাডি অফ ইনসেক্টস এন্টোমোলজি 5 study here I have given you. Study of animals, zoology. Study of life and living things, biology. Study of science and plants, botany. Study of finance of the country, economics. Study of insects, entomology. Inshallah you will memorize all the topics in your word, and if you get time, you can ask anybody over telephone or any other way to control, to memorize this critical expressing word, right? One who designs buildings, what is called? Who is architect? A-R-C-H-I-T-E-C-E-T, architect. Architect means designer, but you have to write down here in a word, architect. One who sells flowers, One who sells flowers by earning some money for his livelihood. What is he or she called? One who sells flowers. That is called florist. Florist. F-L-O-R-S-I-S-T. Florist. Florist. R-I-S-T. Right. Not flowerist. Not florist. Florist. One who sells flowers. Florist. One who gives a treatment to the patients. One who gives treatments to the patients. Patients treatment. The doctor. Doctor. Undoubtedly, doctor. You have doctor, we have doctor. One who practices law, lawyer. In the court, we see many lawyers wearing black dresses. They are called lawyer. Please look, follow the spelling of lawyer. One who practices law, lawyer, L-A-W-Y-E-R. Be careful, lawyer. Spelling, be careful. Spelling is the most important for any grammatical item, not only in expressing in a word. One who carves on a stone, pathore, stone, scarf, design, sculptor, spelling H-C-U-L-P-T-O-R, sculptor. One who has belief in God. One who has believed in God. Theist. T-H-E-I-S-T. Theist. One who disbelieves God. Nauzubillah. One who disbelieves God. Atheist. Next come another sentences. I have given you some more sentences. Over 20 sentences I have given you for your learning. Inshallah, those sentences are very important for you. One who treats diseases by operation. One who treats medical science word. One who treats diseases by operation, by scissoring, by cutting, etc. By using medical instruments. One who treats diseases by operation is called surgeon. Surgeon spelling please, S-U-R-G-E-O-N. S-U-R-G-E-O-N. Surgeon. It is called surgeon. One who is in the search of a museum, caretaker, in charge of museum, curator. C-U-R-A-T-O-R. Curator. Next sentence, 16 number. One who is always in doubting. The person who always doubts, who has no belief to anybody. He can doubt his wife, his student, his father, and anybody. So I have written one who is always in doubting. What will be the expressing word, single word? Skeptic. S-C-E-P-T-I-C. Skeptic. This is called skeptic. One who doubts. One who foretells the future. One who important sentence, an important single in word. We are the ummah of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Who can foretells the future by the help of Allah. He is the Dusta of Allah. So one who foretells Bhavishwat Bani, future word, etc. Quran, Hadith, according to Hadith or Quran. One who foretells the future. Who is called? It's called prophet. P-R-O, sorry. Prophet, P-R-O, sorry. P-R-O-P-H-E-T. Prophet. A place where money is coined. A place where money, Takshal, Gajipur, money is coined. It is called mint. M-I-N-T, mint. last two sentences are also very important. If you think who is somebody leaving land to another country, Bangladesh to Canada, USA, America, etc. Leaving land to another country, leaving homeland to another country. It is called immigrant. The spelling will be start E. Immigrant. The person who is leaving his own land to be settled another land, it will be called immigrant. The spelling is here. Please attention and carefully study this spelling. Coming to a foreign land actually immigrant. This spelling please I there start with. Immigrant. This is a different idea. Inshallah you should carefully study it. It is I have given you more than 20 expressing in a word. Inshallah you will complete this expressing word. If necessary, I will give you another more expressing word, but first you have to study and memorize it. Next time I will be present with another new topic. Till then, have a safe day. Stay home. Thank you very much. Inshallah, next time I will meet you with another topic. Study this again and again. Thank you very much.